चूड़ियाँ पहन लो. Wear the bangles. Bangles for me symbolizes power and freedom. They're not a sign of weakness. I own bangles in different colors, and each one represents a quality like power, wisdom, strength, positive attitude, energy, love, happiness, peace, ecstasy, etc. In the patriarchal and conservative subcontinent, though, we often hear the statement of "Churiyan pehn lo," wear the bangles, in an attempt to put off men as weak. Patriarchy symbolizes bangles as a sign of weakness because they're usually adorned by women, who it perceives as a weaker sex. Yeah, the same weaker sex who's bestowed with the power of creating life, who can grow a whole organ inside her, 3D print a whole human being inside her womb, and gives birth, who has ruled several countries, who has contributed greatest inventions in all subjects, who have fought wars and conquered too. Ever seen a powerful man kicked in his crotch? Yeah, you know what happens. You guessed it right. I'm not endorsing it, though, but using it just as an example to prove the point. So my lovely ladies and gents, churiyan pehn lo, wear the bangles. Own your bangles as a symbol of power because that's who you are. Powerful. I'm a filmmaker and journalist by profession. So like my camera or pen, my bangles are also mightier than any sword can be. My bangles don't have gentle wind-chimey tinkle, they crash bang like a million pots and pans. I own my bangles as a symbol of my strength. My wrists, my bangles